What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be running out of the top 5 cases that I have right now that are the most protective for that brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's check them out. Coming in at number 5, this is a case by Speck. This is the Presidio Grip. Now, this is my number 5 because it does have a little bend to it. It does have a little give to it. It's not as hard as some of the other cases that I have, but it still does a great job. So each case I'm just going to throw on for a second just to show you how it looks. Get that unlocked. Just to show you how it looks. Has nice rubber grips, buttons, nice and tactile on there. Cutouts at the bottom are open, mic up top, and our camera is nice and protected right there, as we can see. Case does not slide. It's not a slippery case. And wireless charging is available and ready to go. Coming in at number 4, this is the Sears 2 by Nimbus 9. Now, if you notice, Sears 2 has a metal plate. It's going to allow you to stand this in the car. They have different stands that they sell, car mount kits. You can put those in your vents. Cool thing about this case, though, is it's made of 2 separate pieces. So this black lining, if I can get it apart, just going to peel that off. And drop this sucker in. And then we're going to put this back on. Snap it on all the way around. Buttons, nice and tactile once again. Everything fits. Everything matches up well. Our cutouts down bottom. All of them match up. Camera sits right down in that nice recess. You're not going to get scratched up, banged up. Mic up top is wide open. Now, only thing about these cases, Series 2, it's protective. On every edge has that nice hard backing, but it is a little slippery. It will slide. But other than that, it feels good in the hand, and it's going to protect that $1,000 phone. And it does provide wireless charging. Next on my list is a case company that I've been dealing with for a little while now. This is Armadillo Tech. Now, their cases are nice and rugged, and these cases can take a beating. I'm going to drop a link below to all of these, but if you go and follow them on Instagram, they actually throw their phones on concrete with these cases. You get a nice hexagon shape on the inside for that cushioning. Kickstand on the back that has lock. Rubber edging. Nice hard back. Front peels off just like I put it around the phone, and you drop it right down in that shell. Once you get it in that shell, you make sure that it's closed all the way around that phone, leaving no gaps. Bottom, we got flaps that are protecting our charging port, headphone jack. Mic and speaker are right there wide open. Put those back in. Mic up top, looks good right there. Camera sits down in that nice recess. And let's talk about this. Kickstand. You do get a kickstand right there on it. 2 orientations is going to work. Make sure you lock it back in place. Feels really good in the hand. Buttons, nice and tactile. Everything works really well. It's a good all-around case. And notice that lip on it. So if you drop it, you're not going to have to worry about banging that screen up. Charge test approved. Okay, so I told you it was going to be 5, and I actually got 2 left. And these 2 basically, I guess if I got to pick a number 1, it's going to be my UAG. I like the UAG. It's one of the most stylish, most protective cases that I have, but also Unicorn Beetle Pro. I've been rocking with a sub case for a minute. Cases have been drop tested for up to 20 feet. Let's get this open. Only thing is, every time I want to put my Unicorn Beetle case on, I got to take this front off. That's probably the only thing that gets UAG the win. I'm going to give this my number 2 spot, Unicorn Beetle. It is extremely protective. Like I said, drop tested for up to 20 feet. You got a kickstand on the back. You get 2 orientations. Lock it in place. You get a nice hard back. Nice raised lip. Got those bezels there. Buttons as always, are nice and tactile. Mic up top looks good. And we got coverings on our ports down here. If I can get them open, port 1 and port 2. Everything matches up. Everything looks good. Everything is a go. If you drop that face down, you're not going to have to worry about the screen messing up. This is one of the most protective cases you can get. Like I said, this is drop tested for up to 20 feet. Also, supports wireless charging. And last but not least, definitely not least, UAG Monarch, one of the most protective and most stylish cases that I have for my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I mean, you gotta look at it. Protective, stylish, easy to put on, charge test approved, raised lip, look at that. You're gonna drop it, no problems. Buttons are awesome, nice and tactile. Everything is a go. Down bottom, cutouts match up really nice. Everything lines up. What more can we say? So guys, this has been a brief overview of the most protective cases that I have right now for this phone. This is a beast of a phone. This is a $1,000 device. This is a flagship. This is one that you really want to take care of, and you need something that is going to do the job. Luckily, all these cases are drop tested anywhere from 8 feet to 20 feet. I'm going to leave links below so you can check these out. Let me know which case you have that's most protective. Let me know which one you like out of these. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.